and welcome to the KKMU University. I am Asta Chadbar and today we want to share something truly special with all. A story began nearly a century ago and continues to shape future even today.
The story of KKMU is deeply rooted in India's entrepreneurial journey. For decades, the Modi Group has contributed to nation building across industry. From manufacturing to innovation, from leadership to global partnership, KKMU University was born from their very legacy, with a clear purpose of creating future-ready leaders.
At KKMU, we begin with one question. Is our education system truly preparing students for the real world? And that made all the difference here. We offer unique international pedagogy with innovatively designed degrees that seamlessly blend liberal art, industrial exposures, and strong focus on a working profession so that our students emerge as thinkers who can adapt to change, lead with purpose.
Our curriculum is co-created with international university partners and industrial collaborators, ensuring every student gain global perspectives while staying rooted in Indian values. We focus equally on inner life skill, outer life skill, and career skills, nurturing confidence, empathy, creativity, and leadership. Because success is not about career, it's about character.
KKMU University is committed to the distinction as a premier institute dedicated to developing visionary leaders and innovative entrepreneurs who will shape the future. Our mission is to provide a transformative academic experience that empowers our graduates to achieve sustained impact throughout their professional lives and beyond. Thank you, and we look forward to welcoming you to our campus.